Lady K is not a terrorist. Lady K is not a terrorist. Look at this woman right here. An humble woman, a responsible woman, a woman of dignity, as you all know, and most of you is familiar to you. This woman, they call him Lady K, an activist of Yoruba race. She's in the hand of the DSS for the past 2 months now. She's not a terrorist. DSS release Lady K. She's not a terrorist. I'm urging the people of Nigeria, if you know you are a good citizen of Nigeria, please share this video and let it get to the necessary source, the DSS, that we need the life of Lady K. Lady K must not die in the hand of DSS. She must be a free woman. DSS, release Lady K. Pain in my heart. The heroes are falling. Lady K is currently suffering in the hand of DSS in Nigeria, in Abuja. Does she deserve this? She fought well. She's a woman of dignity, a woman that is so respectful in the society, because she fought for the Yoruba nation. Why DSS detaining Lady K into the custody of the DSS in Abuja? She's a woman, for crying out loud. We learned that Lady K, she's pregnant. Whether it is true or not, we don't know. But the point is that Lady K is a woman. She's a woman. She needs to be treated with levity hand. She's not a terrorist. She doesn't deserve all this. What are the allegations being put forward against this lady? Only because it's agitating for the Yoruba nation. She's doing a program on the media pronouncing, promoting, agitating for the Yoruba nation. There's a lot of rumor, allege that one of our famous king in Nigeria wrote a petition against Lady K. Whether it is true or not, we don't know about that. But what is the offense of Lady K? Why the DSS are treating Lady K? We learned that 8 out of the 12 have been released so far. We still have 3 people in the hand of the DSS. Can the DSS tell us the reason why are they holding Lady K precisely? My heart is in pain for this woman. She's a woman for God's sake. She's very sick right now, mentally sick. I urge the government of Nigeria, I urge the good people of Nigeria to solve this problem of Lady K. Release Lady K, the DSS. Release Lady K, Nigeria. Let this woman free. She's not a terrorist. Lady K is not a terrorist. I'm urging the DSS. I'm urging the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to release Lady K. Thank you.